In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Meta AI app. Whether you're new to this app or just need a quick refresher, I'll walk you through the basic steps to get you started in just 5 minutes. We'll cover everything from accessing the website to interacting with the AI effectively. First things first, let's begin by opening a web browser on your PC. This step is crucial because the Meta AI app can be accessed directly from your browser, providing a straightforward and efficient experience. Alternatively, if you have the desktop version available, you can use that as well. Simply type the Meta AI website into your browser's address bar and hit enter. This will take you to the main page where all the interaction happens. Next, you'll need to log in. Here, you'll be using your Meta account. If you are familiar with logging into Facebook or Instagram, the process will be similar. Sometimes, you may be prompted to enter your login details, so have your credentials ready. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll find yourself at the Meta AI interface, ready to dive into a world of possibilities. Now that you're on the main screen, let's focus on how to interact with the app. You'll see a chat box prominently displayed on the interface. All you need to do is click inside this chat box and begin typing your question or any prompt you have in mind. It's as simple as typing out a text message to a friend. After you've finished typing your query, just press enter. Instantly, you'll be engaging with the AI, which will process your prompt and provide you with insightful and intelligent responses. Moving on, the app offers a unique feature that allows you to generate images. This is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to bring their visions to life. To use this feature, start your prompt with the command imagine. Following that, you'll describe what you envision. For instance, you might type something like, "Imagine a serene mountain lake at sunrise." This descriptive prompt allows the AI to craft an image based on your words. It can be a great way to get creative or explore visual ideas right from your desktop. Alright, these are the essential steps to get started using the Meta AI app. It's a user-friendly tool designed to enhance your online experience, making it possible to ask questions and even explore creative ideas through image generation. Remember, the key is to log in successfully and start interacting within the chat box. And don't forget about the Imagine command for some truly remarkable image creations. Keep exploring and have fun with the possibilities that Meta AI brings right to your fingertips. Enjoy the journey into AI-driven creativity and information seeking.